Alright guys, so I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. We got some ground chicken, some celery, some carrots. I'm going to be putting it in with some herbs and things like that with a jasmine rice this time. Okay, so stay tuned. I'll be right back, get everything ready. Alright, so there it is. I'm going to hit the saute function. Should be good now. And there we go. Just going to wait. I got some herbs and some garlic salt and things like that are on there. So okay, so it's all done up here. It's not too watery, so I'm gonna do a quick taste test, and I'm gonna do a little bit of the cook down with the saute function, but it is all done, so quite good. You get the flavor of the chicken broth coming in actually, and the white rice or the jasmine rice actually turned out pretty good. Not like the brown rice. Usually there's always a puddle left over, but it actually turned out pretty good. Definitely check out, guys. If you have any questions or comments, post them below and subscribe to the channel.